Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Dondiba Ishwanath, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Government First Grade College, KR from Bangalore. Today I am going to discuss about Module 4th of Tautomerism and Enolites of portion BSc Chemistry. In this module, I have to explain about preparation of ethyl acetoacetate, mechanism of preparation of ethyl acetoacetate by Claisen condensation reaction, and synthetic application of ethyl acetoacetate, in which formation of monocarboxylic acid, formation of dicarboxylic acid, formation of unsaturated aliphatic acid, and last one is formation of ketone. We shall study one by one. Now ethyl acetoacetate, it is molecular formula is nothing but CH3COCH2 COO C2H5. Ethyl acetoacetate is also called as acetoacetic ester. Its IUPAC name is ethyl 3-oxobutanoate. How it is write as IUPAC name? This is the ethyl, and numbering should be takes from, that is the ethanoate, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4. At 3 carbon atom, 1 oxygen group is there, that is keto group or oxo group will be there. Therefore 3-oxo, this is the butanoate, and this is ethyl group. Therefore we say that is a ethyl 3-oxo-butanoate is the IUPAC name of ethyl acetoacetate. Now coming to the preparation of ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate is prepared by heating ethyl acetate with sodium ethoxide in ethanol, followed by acidification using hydrochloric acid. Now here 2 molecules of ethyl acetate we have to take and heat with sodium ethoxide, then followed by acidification using hydrochloric acid to form ethyl acetoacetate with the liberation of ethanol. And this reaction is called condensation reaction or Claisen condensation reaction. Claisen condensation ester reaction. Now coming to that is the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism of this reaction takes involved 3 steps. Step 1, ethoxide ion from sodium ethoxide attacks ethyl acetate to give ethyl alcohol and ester anion. This ethoxide ion which abstract the alpha hydrogen atom from ethyl acetate to form ester anion with liberation of ethanol. And second step, this ester anion attack the carbonyl group on second molecule of ethyl acetate to form intermediate product. Therefore here ethyl acetate will be there. This will be a more electronegative. It drag the electron density towards itself, and this anionic charge, negative charge will be flow towards the positive carbon atom, and the addition product will be a form, that is the intermediate product. And third step, loss of ethoxide ion from the intermediate product to form ethyl acetoacetate. Now this is the acid, this group is ethoxide ion is more unstable, and therefore this drag the electron towards itself, and to make the tetravalency of carbon atom, this negative charge of electrons take place for formation of pi bond, and it form, that is a keto form. This is just oxo form with the liberation of ethoxide ion, and this is the formation of ethyl acetoacetate. This is about, that is the mechanism of Claisen condensation reaction. Now coming to the synthetic application of ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate is used in the various preparation of compounds. Some of the compound according to your syllabus I have to discuss. First one is synthesis of monocarboxylic acid, and here butanoic acid for your syllabus. For that, you have to take ethyl acetoacetate, react with sodium ethoxide to form sodium salt of ethyl acetoacetate. Then it is treated with ethyl bromide to form this product. This product undergo that is alpha ethyl acetoacetate. This is the product will be formed. This on hydrolysis in presence of concentrated sodium hydroxide solution followed by acid hydrolysis, in which the breaking of three fragmentations takes place. One is here, the acetic acid will be formed. Another one is ethanol will be formed, and remaining will be this is the butanoic acid will be formed. Therefore, after that is heating, treating with concentration sodium hydroxide followed by acid hydrolysis to form acetic acid, butanoic acid, and ethanol. Here acetic acid, ethanol are that is a byproduct, and they are very good useful solvents for various reactions. Now next coming to the another synthetic application for ethyl acetoacetic ester is that is a synthesis of dicarbonylic acid or succinic acid. Ethyl acetoacetate, it is treated with sodium ethoxide to form that is the sodium salt of ethyl acetoacetate, which is on treating with chloroethyl acetate to form this product. This is on heating with concentrated sodium hydroxide followed by acid hydrolysis. Three fragmentation takes place here. One is it form that is acetic acid. Second one will be here, that is actually here four fragmentation is takes place, in which one here ethanol, another molecule will be ethanol, and this will be acid group, this will be acid group, and remaining part will be remains as it is. Therefore, after that is the fragmentation takes place. It is acetic acid, second one is succinic acid, and third one is ethanol will be formed. This is the second synthetic application of ethyl acetoacetate. Next come to the third synthetic application, synthesis of unsaturated acid. It is also called as a crotonic acid. When ethyl acetoacetate react with acetaldehyde in presence of that is a secondary amine. This is the diethyl amine as a base to form this addition product. This is again further hydrolysis or heating with concentrated sodium hydroxide followed by acid hydrolysis. Here fragmentation is takes place. Three fragmentation takes place. Here one is acetic acid from this. Second one is again ethanol, and third one is that is a crotonic acid. This is the CH3CH C double bond, and this is the COH. That is the third fragmentation is nothing but crotonic acid, or that is it is a unsaturated acid will be a form. And this is the third application of acetyl acetoacetate. Next, fourth application is synthesis of ketones, and in which the specific in syllabus mentioned, that is butanone, and that can be prepared by treating ethyl acetoacetate treated with sodium ethoxide to form that is a sodium salt. This is the sodium salt of ethoxide. It is soluble in water and it is salt form and more reactive. Therefore, we are preparing every time with treating sodium ethoxide to the ethyl acetate. Then this compound is treated with methyl chloride to form that is a methylated alpha methyl ethyl acetoacetate. It form. This is on acidification with dilute hydrochloric acid and hot condition heating to form that is a butanone. Here two fragmentation will be takes place. Here one will be a ethanol, and this is another one is that is a carbon dioxide will be a get. Actually here first one is on dilute acidification of HCl to form that is a here ethanol will be removed. Here water that is a acid will be a form. This on heating to remove that is a carbon dioxide gas and to form that is a butadiene will be formed with liberation of ethyl ethanol. This is the synthetic application of preparation of ketones of ethyl acetoacetate. This completes that is module number 4.